Problems on simply supported beam. Finding reactions at supports. Simply supported beam ಅಲ್ಲಿ reactions. Supports ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂತ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. First problem. A simply supported beam of 6 meter span carries a point load of 100 kilonewtons at 2 meters from left support. Find the reactions at supports. First ಈ diagram ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Simply supported beam. Simply supported beam means here at the ends of the beams there are two supports. That is A and B. The span of the beam is 6 meters. ಈ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಲೆಂತ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು 6 meters ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. It is carrying a point load of 100 kilonewtons at 2 meters from left support. ಇದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, ಇದು ರೈಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ 2 ಮೀಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದು 100 kilonewtons. So you have to find the reactions at supports. Applying conditions of equilibrium. Applying conditions of equilibrium. First condition, that is summation of Fy equal to 0. Summation of Fy ಅಂದರೆ vertical forces equal to 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ assuming upward acting forces as positive and downward acting forces as negative. So here upward acting forces ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು? reaction at A, RA upward acting forces. in direction ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ arrow indication ಇಂದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. reaction at B, RB ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ upward ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇವೆರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಲೋಡ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ RA plus RB. Both these forces are acting in the upward direction. Minus 100 equal to 0. Then RA plus RB equals to, take this minus 100 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 100. Then RA is equal to 100 minus RB. Name this as equation 1. Next condition of equilibrium, that is summation of moments about A equal to 0. Summation of moments about A equal to 0. So you are assuming that clockwise movements as positive, anti-clockwise movements as negative. Clockwise movements, see the arrow indication, you are going to take the movements about A. So here reaction at B, RB is acting in the counterclockwise direction about A. So that is negative. Here point load at C, see the arrow indication, it is acting in the clockwise direction towards A. So clockwise movement is taken as positive, counterclockwise movement is taken as negative. So here RB is acting in anti-clockwise direction. So minus RB into the length of the beam, the span of the beam is 6 meters. Then here point load, it is acting, it is creating the clockwise movement about A, so that you have to take it as positive. So movement is the product of force into distance. 100 into 2 equals 0. Then minus 6 R minus 6 into RB is 6 RB plus 100 into 2 is 200 equal to 0. Again solving this, we will be getting minus 6 RB taken to the right hand side, it becomes plus 6 RB plus 6 RB equals 200. Then RB equals 200 by 6. 200 by 6 is equal to 33.33. 33.33 kilonewtons. Therefore, RA is equal to, from equation 1, RA is equal to 100 minus RB. 100 minus RB is 33.33, which is equal to 67 kilonewtons. So RA you got 66.67 kilonewtons. RB is equal to 33.33 kilonewtons.